In this video, I'll show you how to use a Visa gift card on Clash Royale on iPhone so you can make in-game purchases like gems or passes without issues. The key thing to know is that you can't enter your Visa gift card directly inside Clash Royale to pay. Instead, you need to get the value of the gift card into your Apple account balance or App Store payment method first, because Clash Royale on iPhone uses the App Store for all purchases. Start by making sure your Visa gift card is activated and has a balance. On your iPhone, open the App Store app and tap your profile icon at the top right. Then tap Redeem Gift Card or Code, and either scan the code on the back of your Visa card or enter the number manually. This will add the gift card balance to your Apple account if it's an Apple App Store gift card. If you're adding a Visa gift card directly, you might need to add it as a payment method under your Apple ID settings or use Apple Wallet depending on what your card supports and what your region allows. Once the balance is added or the Visa card is linked as a payment method in your Apple account, open Clash Royale and go to the in-game shop where gems or Pass Royale are sold. Tap the item you want, and when the App Store payment screen appears, select your Apple account balance first or the Visa gift card you added as the payment method. This will let the purchase go through using your gift card value through Apple's billing system. Keep in mind that Apple sometimes has restrictions on how gift card balances are used for certain in-app purchases, and if it doesn't go through right away, double-check your Apple ID balance and payment settings in the App Store before trying again. And when you're entering card details or handling payments online, it's smart to keep your connection secure. Consider NordVPN for extra protection, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.